Hi, so in the other video, it's a little bit longer. It's like 10 minutes, but I do the entire step three. This one, I'm just going to do like a quick overview instead of you hearing my like thought process and everything I want to say about Grey's Anatomy. So this one's a little bit quicker, but same thing, just kind of an overview. So you have your four different sections. You've already made a copy of it. And what you're going to do is you're going to design it and add the information. So mainly in your header and footer, you're going to be using some of those H1s and H2s because you really want it to stand out. In this content area, you're still going to probably be using some H2s or H3s for your subheadings, but you're probably going to be using more like paragraphs, unordered lists or ordered lists, and list items. And then in the navigation bar, you're changing it to the links you're going to have. So your home is the one that you're actually making. So for me, it is going to be about Grey's Anatomy. For links 1, 2, and 3, these are going to be links that you find outside or external links. And because I'm just talking about how like Grey's Anatomy is like my favorite show, I'm going to go ahead and add my other favorite shows, which are All American, The Office, and I'm currently binging Love Island UK, which is just like a weird, like, are you not, or are you the one, like, but like a British edition. So you have your header and footer, and this is, again, they're going to kind of be things that really stand out. So header is like what your website's about. Footer is like any last pieces of information or contact information. So for this assignment, you are going to be using your tags. So again, H1, Grey's Anatomy, and then I'm closing it, right? So you're really going to want to add that content. For some of you guys, it might be easier to add the content first and then go back and tag it, and that's okay. So if I did like favorite characters, and I did like my list of favorite characters, and now I can't remember exactly who all I put. So I put those there. What I can always do later is after I've done it, I'm going to go back and add those tags. So you can really do it either way. You can either tag it from the very beginning, which in my mind, that's easier. But if you're not as familiar with the tags, it might be a little bit harder. So you're going through and tagging it like this. Remember that you can use that cheat sheet. So here I have my different headings, basic tags, and how lists work. After you started adding text, you are going to edit those colors. So you have your fill over here. Again, I'm going to make this like a dark blue. I'm going to change the color here. You can also add borders because that is something that you can do with CSS. So I might do that. I want this background to be that light blue that we got going on. I want this to be white. I want this to be blue. So you're just quickly kind of finding what works for you and what you want. So in the next video, I will show you how to do the worksheet. So again, all of your text needs to be tagged. It should actually end up looking something like this. So again, like paragraphs, list items. And again, I don't really care about the content. I care more about what the layout looks like.